Excellent location. Also a great investment. Don't miss this fabulous opportunity to own this unique bungalow with 2-story addition at rear with family room, 2-bedroom, 4-piece bath, potential kitchen and separate entrance. Also basement 2-bedroom legal apartment with separate entrance. Main floor 3-bedroom updated kitchen plus stainless steel appliances. No sidewalk. Walking distance to schools, parks and TTC. Close to GO train. Highway 401, Community Center, U of T campus and all other amenities. Extras: 3 stainless steel fridge, 3 stainless steel stoves, stainless steel dishwasher, 3 stainless steel ranged hood, washer dryer, all window coverings, all electrical fixer, furnace, air condition, 2 sheds.